Hi guys, this is Salman Patan from Math.0 channel. So today we will see the second problem of indefinite integral. So question is that solve integration of 1 upon x raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to 1 by 3 into dx. So first of all we will write the given integration of 1 upon x raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to 1 by 3 into dx. So solving this type of problem we will use the method of substitution, because if we are using the another method then it will be very difficult to solve this problem. So for that, if we are putting x raised to 1 by 2 or x raised to 1 by 3 is equals to t, then it will be almost impossible to solve. So for solving we will use LCM, that is we will use LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, that will be 1 by 6. Okay, I hope you all of you know that what is LCM. If you don't know what is LCM, then go to my Instagram account, which is named as math.0, where I have posted the some notes regarding the LCM, how to use the LCM and how to learn that LCM. Okay, so coming to the problem, we have taken the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, which is comes as 1 by 6. So now we will put x raised to 1 by 6 is equals to t. Now differentiating with respect to x. Before that we will simplify this, that is x is equals to t raised to 6. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, dx is equals to 6 t raised to 5 into dt. So now we will substitute these values in our integral. So I is equals to integration of 1 upon value of x is t raised to 6, that is t raised to 6 raised to 1 by 2 plus t raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3, and value of dx will be 6 t raised to 5 dt. Okay, now I is equals to integration of 1 upon t raised to 3 plus t raised to 2 into 6 t raised to 5 dt. Now in next step we will do that we will take this 6, which is constant, out of integral, and we will separate this t raised to 5 as t square into t cube dt, and we will take t square common from this. Okay, so in bracket it remains t plus 1. Now in next step I is equals to 6 into integration, so this t square will be cancelled, so t cube dt upon t plus 1. Okay, now we will make one arrangement, in that we will arrange in such a manner that we will get the answer of that arrangement as a t cube upon t plus 1 for simplification of this integration. Okay, t square minus t plus 1 minus 1 upon t plus 1 into dt. If you are cross multiplying this, then you will get the term as t cube upon t plus 1. This arrangement is made for simplification of this integration. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. So in next step we will separate this integration. So 6 into, we will use square bracket here, so integration of t square minus t plus 1 into dt minus integration of 1 upon t plus 1 dt. Now in next step I is equals to 6 times integration of t square will be t cube upon 3, integration of t will be t square upon 2, integration of 1 will be t, minus integration of 1 upon t plus 1 will be log of t plus 1. So as it is indefinite integral, so we have to take constant of integration as a c. Okay, now in next step we will multiply that 6 in inner bracket, so it will come 6 into t cube by 3 will be 2t cube minus 3t square, okay, plus 6t minus 6 times log of t plus 1 plus c. Now resubstituting the value of t, that is the value of t is x raised to 1 by 6. In method of substitution we have to resubstitute the value of t to get the final answer. Okay, so I is equals to 2 into t is equals to x raised to 1 by 6, that is x raised to 1 by 6 raised to 3 minus 3 into x raised to 1 by 6 raised to 2 plus 6 into x raised to 1 by 6 minus 6 times log of t plus 1 plus c. Okay, now in next step I is equals to 2 into x raised to 3 upon 6, that is root x, minus 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 plus 6 into x raised to 1 by 6 minus 6 into log of t plus 1 plus c. So this will be the final answer of the integration. I hope you all of you understand how to find the integration of this indefinite integral, and if you are understanding this video, so please comment in comment box that you are understanding, and if you are having any doubt regarding the integration, then you can DM me on the Instagram account. I have already told my Instagram account as math.0. Okay, so you can search on Instagram and follow me, and you can also DM me the messages so I can take your problems and solve your queries.